Hi guys, 6:28 and August 19th, 65 degrees. There we are. With a high of 98, it says. Alright, let's go on. Get this day started. Drinking some water. Oh, it's a little cool out here. I want to see. Okay, yeah. Where were y'all going? The garden is right there. Where were they going? It's cool out here, y'all. Glory, glory. Look at them. And you know what? Oh my good. Why? What? 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 Why? Why your baby behind you climbing up there? Your baby is a month old. Don't you want to go and... Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Like, then the other one. I was trying to move the camera slow because it was so dim, but we missed it. Oh, y'all, there go Meanie. Y'all don't never get to see the broody hen. Let's look at this broody hen. Let's look at this broody hen. Look at her. Look at her. She clears house. Look at. I'm gonna get my stick. She beautiful. She look all fat and plump. Look like her crop is full. She only, look at her. She up there to a flight. She my original one. Who dropped a pellet poop? Them cats. Or was it chicken? Somebody been over here. All right, they still have water. Where is Daddy? Oh, there he is. And there go Chocolate outside. And look what we got down there. Why? All right. She going back on her eggs. Well, I'm down here. Let me feed them because we got to finish Prince today, y'all. Oh, my God. Look. They know what this means. I need to go get them some more scratch. Some variety. What? That kitten over there doing something, messing with the food. I can hear him. Let me get him some out here. Look at him. You get your hips back in now. That's what you need to do. Look at him, my big beast. Oh, I need to trap him now because I gotta do his work today. All right, it's just these little tuna cans, so they get plenty. They need more because it's more of them than that. I want to get them out of there so fast. I want to get them out of there. I want to do everything. All right. Oh, it's cold. All right, y'all go see the nighttime from the chicken cabana. I mean, nighttime where I talk about my friend sent me that photo. I want to do the chicken cabana now. I think I want to do the coop and then do a run from a coop. So I think I'm going to buy another coop. Oh, my goodness. Why? Kittens everywhere. Why? I love it. Look. Brothers are born for adversity. Wow. And you can rehabilitate them. You can teach them. Stay out my garden. You can teach them. They're trainable. Who ate your food? I know it was you. Ain't no way. 2 grown cats and 4 babies. She's starving. You eat up. No, it's you. They don't need that much food to you. I ain't gonna give them that much food. Check on them later. They all. Hey, Prince, how are you? Yesterday. Oh, y'all, my stomach is tore up. I enjoyed eating my food like a fatty yesterday and got the results of a fatty. My stomach was messed up last night. I went to sleep. Got up this morning. My stomach upset. So, well, it was upset. I'm sure what was making it was upset ain't upsetting now no more. All right, let's go here. We'll see. That wash and dryer ain't right there, though. I'm going to use that. I always use that wash and dryer today. All right, I think I want to. And I'm looking for that hinge I'm going to put on his door. I wasn't going to use a hinge, but what I'm missing here, this it. We about to seal his fate, honey. Oh, see, this is what all I got to bring out. We going to go through here. I'm going to set that tripod up, and we going through here, yo. We going through here. Oh, I love this place. That's a lot. I had a vision for it, but that vision cost $600 a month. I ain't doing that. Stop. Hey, boy. Stop. Don't. Not today. Y'all, my solars do so good. My solar's showing out. I've been running that AC all day. I was in there all day yesterday, eating like a fatty. I used to put this. Look at this. About to use this on that pallet fence. Oh, I need to use my electric stapler. I want to. I'll just tell y'all my to-do list, the skirting. I had to go to Home Depot. I had to go to the city. I got to get skirting. Let me see if he went down here and ate. I have to get skirting for the bottom of the house. I have to get drywall. And then on this channel, so I can walk, boy. I know. I need to sit down. I just want to sit out in my front yard and just hug him and hold him and play with him. I be touching him and stuff. Y'all, I'm walking through Thorn City over here. Look. Ooh. He did. All right, he came in and ate the salmon. He's drinking the water. He didn't touch anything else. He ain't coming in. I grab him by the hair. I need him in here sooner than later. I want him in here before he go to bed this morning. Since I ain't put him in there last night, like I wanted to be done with everything. Look. All right. So do the skirting to keep him out, but once I do the that's not first, because once I put him in that cage over there, I ain't got to worry about him going up under the house, and that can let that project be a little longer. Then drywall and what is it? The drywall for the subscriber. Thank you. I said, well, someone commented. Oh, who was it? Oh my goodness! In the comments, she asked me the most smartest question I ever heard. She said, "Why are you insulating a wall that is not outside, or a wall that is Y'all get the point. I said, what? I said, don't worry about it. Next video, you gonna hear me say, I am not, honey. I am not insulating them walls, them drywall, the pallet walls inside the house. The two walls that are not touching anything. They're not doing nothing. And they're not a sound barrier because I still got the top open and it ain't about that life. We not, yeah. So, I ain't insulating that. I'm just going to insulate the walls with the styrofoam on there. And I'm done. I'm gonna knock this thing out. I've been wanting to get close to this one. I only touched this one time when I bought it and when I dipped it. And I wanted to look at her feet. One of them looked like they, I don't know. Look. Don't you run from me. One leg looked like it has less hair than the other. And that's why I was concerned. But again, y'all, look at them. Okay, look at these rabbits. They real smart. Let me tell you how smart they are. Because, they keep digging deeper, right? But then they knock the top off, I guess, because their body's so big. No, they eating the top away. So they're eating the top away, but they keep going deeper. But if it makes their heart glad, I'm happy too. I gave them all this straw. I gave them straw, do that bedding up, and I gave them the food. So that's good. And the green, while I'm here. Y'all see the nighttime from the chicken courtyard. Now we got another rabbit in there. And they up, so let's feed them. It's not gonna rain. And if it was, it'll dry out. Look, she going up in there, turning her body to upside down. Y'all see she done twisted up whole head upside down in there. Y'all see it? That's her ear on the side of her head. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we got babies still everywhere. We got Mama. Mama, you looking thin. You got your physique back after having them 10 babies? Huh? Huh? Oh, she looking thin. Look at the guinea. They gone again. All right. I haven't counted the babies in a minute. Time to count the babies. What we got here? All right. All right. Where my black turkey? It might have been her I seen us. Now I know he ain't got a turkey. Y'all know there, I called you up. There you go. Well, hello, dear. You black beauty. Hey. There. He came in for his grand entry. Going back out. He, she. All right. So, let me throw some food out so I can count my babies. Look at all this food. I fed them last night too. They eat what they want to eat. Your crop should be full. Oh, her crop full. Where your crop at, boy? Oh, let's go look at mom and her baby. If I call everybody out with some food. Oh, they gonna come. What do I have in the house that I can feed? Nobody probably hungry. They not running after me. I'll come in here. I have haven't in a while since only like 5 of them. All right, they still got water. Filled that up last night. Nope. Rabbit's doing good. The brown one's still in there. I know she gonna eat her heart away because she been wild. They are big, y'all. Bunnies are big. Who over here messing with a baby? All right, the quail is alive. Who been right here? There go the baby. Hey, baby. Might been that mean angry bird baby messing with babies. All right. I don't know what they over there doing. They getting better or not. All right. Nobody came. Ain't nobody hungry. I had to do a head count. All right. Let's see how many yellow chicks we can find real quick. One and one black one. So, all right. We see the black one over there on the right. We got one there. Okay. So we got 2 chicks. Looking for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. There go 3, 4, 5. I hear something. Oh, rabbit. All right, 3, 4, 5. Up, 6. That's 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where your babies at, mama? No, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Oh man. How are your babies, mama? 1, 2, 3, 4. I saw the black one. 5. All right, 6, 7. Is that 6, 7, 8? Or are these the ones I already counted? No, I don't know. Who did that? Who did that hole? Look at that. She's just your pretty. Hey, mama. Hey, mama. All right, guys. I guess I can get to work. Put this door on here and entice Prince to come on out before he go to bed. Let me go put my hands on him and touch him and rub his neck. Tell him he a good boy. And let me see, no egg up there. Don't know where they're laying eggs. I got 3 at least laying eggs. The 2 mamas, they lay eggs. And the 1 guinea. You get your babies, you get your chickens. They did come eat. All right. Well, oh, guys. Okay. I have a lot of content coming your way. Pay attention to the date, guys. Watch the date. Watch the date. Date and time stamp on everything. Watch the date. So, always date and time. So, I got a lot of content coming your way. I'm getting out this stuff I haven't posted yet. I'm trying to get it out to you. Put it out there, but yeah, got a lot of content still catching up. I hadn't even made it to the SD card, so we just not gonna talk about that, of how all this came to be. I think I put all that out yet, but where that bird, I don't know what it is. it is right there. I don't know what that is. Oh, she's sitting there so studious. Where y'all eggs at? I be hearing her. Where they eggs? Now maybe it's just been too hot. Everybody stopped laying eggs. Yeah, she's sitting on her eggs. But these two women lay. These two white silkies lay. Where their eggs at? Somebody getting an egg delight. Somebody eating eggs every day. Might be too hot though. I ain't mad at them. And that pellet of poop over there, I don't know who that came from. I ain't got no, I don't have any more sheep. Ain't no rabbits over here. You keeping your babies out my garden. They still eating? She's still eating. It's 20 minutes later. They have water still. You drinking water. All right, so it's been some domestic violence at this property, y'all. Not really trying to record it. But it's that cat after that black cat. And she running for her life, screaming. That domestic violence. She don't want to be bothered, but he ain't having it. So they do that several times a day. All right, let me go and I'll pick you guys up. Just pay attention to the content that's coming out. Thank you for watching it. Thank you for supporting. Enjoy it. Pay attention to the dates, and I will pick you guys up in the next one.